It's not clear who the Russians are attacking in Syrian airstrikes. That's according to the Czech Prime Minister Bohuslav Sobotka. This is yet another leader who has called into question who Russia is targeting in its attacks in Syria.
What is concerning about the Russian air raids in Syria is that it is debatable whom these raids are directed at, because the information is full of contradictions and it is not clear who are the Russians attacking, and it seems it is not very coordinated with the US, France or Britain, who are already carrying out air raids against Islamic State positions.
US media have reported that the Russian airstrikes didn't target Islamic State militants and instead had been aimed at US-backed rebels fighting against the regime of Syrian President Bashar al-Assad. The Syrian president is Russia's ally. While France's defense minister Jean-Yves Le Drian said he finds it, quote, curious that Russian strikes in Syria are not against Islamic State. Russia has launched more attacks on Thursday in a second day of airstrikes. Moscow reports that a command center which belongs to Islamic State militants has been destroyed. There has been no independent verification of the Kremlin's claim.